So welcome back in the lab section of location block tutorial. So as you can see guys, I am already connected to my virtual machine I created with Vagrant, and I am already connected with my VS Code remote connection. So I am in the nginx.conf file. As you can see, here is the default configuration. I remove the unnecessary for demo purpose. Unnecessary, that means I remove some directories, files and directives to make you understand the location directive. Okay, so as you can see, this is our location module location directive syntax, and we have to put something here to follow our URL. Okay, now as you can see, if I restart, okay, now if I call localhost, actually this terminal also in my Vagrant machine. So if I just call localhost, it is returning this default. Okay, it will just okay, if I put here me, let's see if I save again. Okay, now if I put here, okay, it's me, it should return me. Now if I save here and if I restart again, okay, now if I make a call, now as you can see, it's the default route. Okay, so we can put here any directory, root directory. Okay, so if we remove all this location directory, what you are expecting, it will default sub from the user share Nginx and share folder. Here you will find some HTML directories and some index.html file. Okay, so let me show you this also. If I save this and if I restart my Nginx and if I call, as you can see, our default Nginx, welcome to Nginx space. Okay, so without any directive, location directive, it serve from the user share Nginx folder. Okay, so now we will see let me show you this example. Okay, now we will see the exact match. Okay, so as you can see here, I put it the equal sign. This means the exact match. So here also the equal sign, it means the exact match. Okay, so if I save this, okay, let me okay, now if I call to the local set T, it will not match any location, so it will sub from the default. But if I sub from okay, it's okay, so it's showing me that there is no route. Okay, so I think the problem is here. If I save again, or sometime you have to restart or reload your Nginx. Okay, okay, it's now exactly matching the okay location. Let me show you again. If I put another K, it should say 404 not found. Okay, that's it. And the next one, I am using a location alongside as a root directory and an index. Okay, so in my user share Nginx error folder, I have a error.html. It will serve from this. So if I make a call again, error error.html, then as you can see it is serving from my custom error page. Okay, custom error page. So what is our URL? Our URL is location/error.html. So it is matching the exact location and it is serving from this directory, this file. Okay, fine. Now let me show you others examples. As I mentioned in my previous tutorial, these are this custom error page. Okay, so as you can see, let me restart my Nginx again. Okay, as you can see, I have a error page directory and it is focusing on 404, and if it found this, it will divert its execution to the 40x.html, and it will exactly match this 40x.html. It will sub from this 40. I am using a stick here to match anything in this position. It will sub like a regex here. Okay, regex matching. So if I again, okay, as you can see here, I ask to serve from localhost 0.html, but it's finding 404. Not, we don't have this route, so it's serving from 404. Okay, and exactly if we again restart, okay, and if we serve from 404, it will also go to some 40x pages. I have put 40.html pages. Let me show you, it will be clear to you. Okay, this is my this directory, and I think I have to make it a little bit larger. Now if I SSH into the machine, sorry, it should be SSH. It will take a little bit time. Okay, now if I go to this directory, okay, you will find this file there. cd to this directory. If I show you this file, as you can see, this is the file exactly located in the error directory. Okay, so that's it. I am serving some custom error page here. Okay, so as I mentioned in the tutorial, we can also serve multiple error location here. As you can see, whenever it will find some other errors like 500 and 5002, something like that, it will divert its execution to the 50x.html directory, that means route, and it will exactly match this route, and it will serve from this 50x.html file error HTML page. Okay, if I save as a root here, okay, and restart my Nginx. Now if I make a call exactly this time 500, it is serving from 50x page. Okay, so we can have multiple error pages, and we can have custom directory to serve our errors with Nginx. Okay, that's it. Now the next one, serving images. Okay, so let me put this on here, this location. Okay, so as you can see, I have a location directory. Let me make a little bit beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, our directory, and it's matching these images, and our root directory is home background data slash home background data slash. Okay, so if I save this and if I restart our Nginx, okay, so if I make a call like this one, you have to be very clear. Okay, so I'm this time making a call in my browser, because if I put this call here, as it is an image, its binary will be there. It's binary, but it will not, you will not see this. But if I use my browser with my machine IP, you can see the image serving from the images/pk.png. okay, so why this images and pk.png, I can show you. As you can see, here is my current directory, home background. I will go to the data directory. Okay, and here is my images folder. Okay, and here is my image pk.png. So as you can see, this /images will match there. That means this images.pkng will we have to put this pk.ng in the data directory. Okay, and inside the images directory, and images directory should be inside the data directory. Okay, so that's it. We can serve our custom image, and now we'll see case sensitive location matching. Okay, so let me put this one here. Okay, so let me save this again. Okay, and now this time if I restart and if I make a call like this one, okay, this means this one, it will be matched to this directory as it is, as I mentioned, it is case, I am forgetting this, it is case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive, sorry, my bad. I forgot this actually. So it's case sensitive. If I put here capital G, it's also working. Oh my bad, sorry, it's case insensitive as I put a stick here. Okay, so if I remove this, okay, now I remove this, and if I restart, now if I search, it's not founding. Okay, it is case insensitive. It is case sensitive. Okay, and if we put a stick, it will be case insensitive. Got it? I think you got it. So it is matching only the last, only the .png word in the last. This star means in the last, and doing anything. Okay, we can do anything here. I'm just returning a 2000 response, 200 response actually. So this is what for insensitive and sensitive location matching. I think I am in the okay, here I shown you this one. So I think I am done. And another thing is carrot title. Okay, so similarly, if we use it carrot title, it will let me authenticated. Okay, and if we save this, okay, so what happened if we search for this one, it will not work. Okay, but if we use this one, it should work. Got it? It will not look for any other G for echo or something like that. Whenever it will find this, it will actually it is not the exact example where we should use this caret title. Okay, so it has different use cases, different scenario for regex matching and advanced matching. We'll see further, but it's location retrieve and it's work like others one, but it's searching when it's first matches with something. Okay, so I think these are some examples of location directive. We'll see some other rewrite rules and its properties, and we'll see in your lab also in the next video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.